Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In not today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 19th, 2022. It's actually Sunday the 20th. But it's the edition of Tuesday, March the 1st, 2022, because in the Saturday newspaper we have no extra puzzles or additional. So the last additional with puzzles left is the Tuesday edition, March the 1st. All right, binary puzzle number 4286. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me think. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, let me think. Double one. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.